Have you ever heard about a prompt engineer? If not, you're not alone. This intriguing job title may sound like something out of a sci-fi novel, but it's a real career path in our increasingly digital world. Before we delve into this newbie, show some love by clicking the subscribe and notification button to keep receiving valuable insights from this channel. Let's get started. The term prompt engineer is relatively fresh on the job market, and it's not unusual if it's your first time coming across it. But don't worry, curiosity is the first step towards discovery. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what a prompt engineer is, but you might also consider becoming one. So, what is a prompt engineer exactly? Well, think of a prompt engineer as a linguistic architect, a designer of the dialogues that train artificial intelligence models, especially language models like OpenAI's GPT-3. These professionals are the brains behind the prompts, the queries or statements that guide the AI in generating responses or completing tasks. Their role is to carefully craft these prompts, ensuring they're clear, relevant, and effective, sparking the AI into action. They meticulously design these prompts to help the AI understand and mimic human language as naturally as possible. You could say that the prompt engineers are the ones teaching AI how to communicate, how to understand context, and how to respond in a meaningful way. They're the unsung heroes of the AI world, operating behind the scenes to make our interactions with AI smoother, more intuitive, and more human-like. In essence, a prompt engineer helps shape the way AI communicates and understands human language. So what does a day in the life of a prompt engineer look like? Well, let's dive in. A key part of a prompt engineer's role is creating and testing prompts. These prompts are the stimuli that are fed to an AI model to provoke a response. It's like asking a question to get an answer. The quality and effectiveness of these prompts directly influence the performance of the AI, so it's a task that requires creativity, precision, and a deep understanding of the AI model in question. Now, once the prompts are tested, the prompt engineer must then analyze the results. They must understand why the AI responded the way it did and how it can be improved. This process of refinement is ongoing, as the goal is to constantly enhance the AI's performance and make it more reliable, efficient, and user-friendly. Working closely with machine learning engineers is another significant aspect of the job. It's a dynamic partnership where they collaborate to improve the overall performance of the AI. They share insights, discuss strategies, and together, they tweak the AI models to ensure they're performing optimally. The role of a prompt engineer is not just about creating prompts. It's about understanding the AI, refining its responses, and collaborating with others to enhance its performance. This is an evolving field, and the tasks and responsibilities of a prompt engineer are likely to grow and diversify. As you can see, a prompt engineer plays a crucial role in the field of AI development. Now that we know what a prompt engineer does, what skills do you need to become one? First and foremost, a prompt engineer must have a strong understanding of language. This includes not only grammar and syntax, but also semantics, pragmatics, and even cultural nuances. Being multilingual could certainly be a plus. Next, creativity is key. Prompt engineers need to be able to think outside the box to generate prompts that are engaging, relevant, and thought-provoking. They must also be able to adapt their prompts to different contexts and audiences. Analytical thinking is another vital skill. Prompt engineers must be able to analyze the responses generated by AI, assess their quality, and figure out how to improve them. Last but not least, a solid foundation in AI and machine learning concepts is essential. Understanding how AI models are trained and how they generate responses is crucial for this role. With these skills, a prompt engineer can truly make a difference in the AI world. So let's quickly summarize what we've learned. A prompt engineer is a trailblazing role in the realm of artificial intelligence and machine learning. They are the creative brains behind the prompts that guide AI models like ChatGPT, ensuring the machines respond in a useful, relevant, and safe manner. The responsibilities of a prompt engineer are vast and diverse. They are tasked with crafting effective prompts, refining AI responses, and continuously innovating to enhance user interactions. They're essentially the bridge between the complexities of machine learning and the simplicity of user experience. The skills required for this role are equally diverse. A blend of technical knowledge, creativity, a strong understanding of language, and an empathetic approach to user needs all play a crucial role in shaping a competent prompt engineer. Prompt engineers, the unsung heroes of the AI world, shaping the way we interact with technology, one prompt at a time.